Hey, I want to tell you why I love this little Canon Powershot Sx710 HS, Wi-Fi capabilities. A lot of great features on this. I'm going to turn it on and you can kind of see how the lens pops out. This is actually a 30 times optical zoom lens, and it's pretty incredible just how powerful that is. There's several different settings here. You're on and off. That's how I just turned it on. This is the zoom capabilities. There's some other stuff here. To be honest with you, I really don't even know what there are. This is a camera that we use for traveling, going to events, nature photography, videos, just having a lot of fun with it. It's a hobby camera, but the quality is incredible. There's several different settings along this wheel here that just flips from a hybrid to an auto. And tells you what they're all about. Creative shots. Each shot creates multiple sports. If you're doing something fast, photography. Then the fisheye effect shoots with the effects of a fisheye. Just a lot of different things. I normally keep it obviously on auto. There's some other functions here for close-up photography. That's what that flyer is there for, and some other things. To be honest with you, I don't even know what it is. This camera we've had for about 5, maybe even more years. It's still working great. There's also a flash for nighttime photography. Pops up there, works really, really well. But what I want to do is essentially show you just how powerful the zoom is. And what we have out here on the oyster bar are some white pelicans that are spending some time here this time of year in Florida. And I just want to focus in on these and just show you just how powerful that zoom is. There's some cormorants hanging out there. Sorry about the shakiness. It's done on a tripod, but you can just see the power of this camera. And that's a ways out there too. Also on the video, like I said, you just switch it over to video by hitting that button right there. And now you can see the record button coming on. See that? I'm going to zoom out, and then I'm going to zoom back in. And there's an osprey. Let's see if we can catch that right. It's pretty difficult to do. But anyway, it shows you the power of this little camera. Let's go back out here to the penguins again. I'll try to keep it as still as I can. Want the focus catch up with it. And you can see with that type of tripod, if you had, it would be pretty easy to keep it nice and still. But I just wanted to show you the power of this camera. And turn it off and see how everything just tries to slides right back in there. I like it because it's easy to carry. It's very compact. You can put it in your pocket. But what I really appreciate about this camera is the quality and the dependability of it, and the incredible photographs it takes along with the videos. So I definitely would recommend this as a great purchase for your family.